I tried to record an intro. It was going all right. And then my music started playing and it cut it off. So that's great. It is a rainy day. And as rain in the Lost Coast, what do we do on rainy days? We have rainy day thoughts, and I don't have many thoughts. So it is my second day of work, which is great. Figuring out my schedule a little bit, which is great. Don't know why I'm talking so loud. Gotta chill. I was hungry this morning, but I had enough points at Starbucks to get a free Starbucks drink. Sorry, a school bus just passed me and threw me off. And a panini. So, or a turkey pesto panini, which is usually what I choose. I don't necessarily want to shop at I don't want to get fast food or conveniently drive-through food anymore, but we'll see how that goes, especially since I don't have the money. I honestly don't have the money for it anymore at the moment. I need to take off my jacket because it is a little hot. So my outfit of the day is obviously this wonderful blue and red. If I could just take it off. Blue. I don't know why I put my seatbelt on either. This is not okay. We're taking the seatbelt off. You know, that would be a smart idea. And then we're just wiggling our arm out of it. So this wonderful blue and red thrifted denim jacket from Supreme Being. It has, I don't know. I like it. I love it. It's beautiful. It's wonderful. It is literally my favorite jacket, and I lost it for February till, I want to say July. No, sorry, I had a phone call. So I lost it from February to July, which made me really sad, but at least it wasn't the rainy season or anything, so I didn't need it necessarily. And I had my cow print pixelated jacket. Don't know how to explain that. So right here, what I'm wearing now is my Lazy Oaf Happy and Sad sweater that I got. My cat has a matching one. I love it. Wearing mom jeans. I'm wearing maroon socks and then white Adidas. So that's the fit. Also just this, no choker today because this goes up to the neck. I don't know what I'm gonna wear tomorrow. So it started raining. It was supposed to rain, I guess, earlier today, and it ended up raining literally at the end of the school day, which was convenient because, we didn't have to do rainy day recess. There's also a lot of parents leaving, so I'm hoping that the rain is covering me the way I want it to. So what else? Rainy day thoughts. I'm giving my car enough time to warm up, which is nice. I saw the sunset this morning, but immediately it was overtaken by the fog, which was very nice, very eerie. Really liked it. I really like how cold it is here. The climate is just to die for me because I have a lot of comfort clothing, and this is the perfect weather for all of my comfort clothing. And if I could be just fashionable and not worry about dying in heat, because when I lived in the Sacramento area, all I wanted to wear was shorts and a t-shirt, and that was all you're getting was shorts and a t-shirt, or cargo pants and a t-shirt, or capri pants and a t-shirt. It was just that combo. And now I'm I can wear a sweater, I can wear my mom jeans, I could wear whatever I want practically. Within school appropriate school appropriate work. I don't know, my brain's still not exactly working. Now let's put on the seatbelt. So I got gas yesterday, so I don't need to get gas today or tomorrow. I'm hoping not tomorrow. I literally only have $6 in my account, which is, I guess, great. We'll pay all our bills in no time. Luckily I had some money saved up, but I just can't access it as easy. So it's really annoying trying to access my money and savings because I don't have a card to it. So I have to transfer it everywhere, or I have to pull it out physically, with like my ID and stuff, and I don't want to pull out cash. Like I need my card for things, so I have to figure that out. And then I gotta do homework today, and I've got to take a quiz I think today. And yeah, I need to get home. I need to get home and, you know, chill out, you know, have the whole day to myself, relax. I don't know what else to say. There's also like today I tried, so a new thing that I tried today, we were doing the harvest of the month, and it was pumpkin. I don't know, okay. It was pumpkin, canned pumpkin ground, canned pumpkin that you use for pumpkin pie, and yogurt, and pumpkin based granola, and it tastes pretty good to me, at least. To some other kids, to the other students, they were kind of like picky about it, but me and the teacher really enjoyed it, so that was good. That was really good. Okay, well, I guess I'm gonna go now because I want to kind of drive home, even though it just started raining, which is kind of dangerous. But it rained last week, so it shouldn't be too dangerous. I should be fine, you know? I should be fine. I know how to drive in these roads. And at least it's not like, I'm not gonna say at least anything because I'm not jinxing myself. Anyway, I hope you have a wonderful day. The song of the day today would have to be, I guess we could do the song that popped up, like Transformed by Daniel Caesar. That whole album. Mwah. Okay, boy.